Gage fly back the rope and raising long nose soak. Jump squeak out of the gate. One about the wheel is Adhika in. Moving up Janelle's episode in the middle. Barkadahan is also there, then followed by Shining Gold. While No Peso, No Dance is running in a tail of the field. Out of straight they travel. Janelle's episode takes up the running by Alang, followed closely by the top favorite Barkadahan. 2 lengths back now is Long Nose Soak. Here comes Shining Gold. Adhikain is running by the wheel, fifth, while No Peso, No Dance still running in a tail of the field. Down the half mile they travel. Janelle's episode. Barkadahan now from the outside. Inside the last 600. Janelle's episode hanging on with a 3/4 length lead, followed by Barkadahan. Long Nose Soak, Adhikain, Shining Gold, and No Peso, No Dance. And at the last 350, Janelle's episode, a long shot. Still leading the pack. Barkadahan on the outside. Second running in. Third, Long Nose Soak, Adhikain. Towards the final turn, Janelle's episode still leading the pack. Barkadahan, Long Nose Soak, Shining Gold on the outside, but still Janelle's episode, a long shot. Barkadahan, No Peso, No Dance, Long Nose Soak, Shining Gold, and Adhikain.
Grabe si Idol.
Galing.
Arman the Rubberman de Guzman.